Unit 6 Mixed Review number 6. Jasmine lives 22 4/5 miles due south of the school. Paul lives 17 1/3 miles due north of the school. What is the distance in miles between Jasmine's and Paul's houses? So this is one that I would want to draw a picture. So we've got Jasmine lives 22 4/5 miles due south of the school. Due south means it's exactly south. And if you remember from your social studies, north is up top, south is down below, west is on the left, east is on the right. And so if she's due south, she's straight south, straight down from the school. So here's the school. And straight south down here, here is Jasmine's house. And this distance between the school and her house is 22 4/5. Then we've got Paul, who lives due north, so straight up from the school. And so Paul is up here, and this distance between his house and the school is 17 1/3. Now I want to know, how far is it all the way from Paul's house past the school and to Jasmine's? And so that means I'm going to need to drive both, or travel both 17 1/3 and 22 4/5 to get all the way from Paul's to Jasmine. So I need to add those together. So lining those up, 22 4/5, 17 1/3, adding them together. So I'm going to separate those fractions and whole numbers. Looking at the fraction side, we've got fifths and thirds. I need to make those the same. So what can a 5 and a 3 both become? They both can become a 15. Remember, smaller is better. They could both become 30 as well, but that's a bigger number. The smaller the number you can think of, the better. All right, so taking them one at a time. How does a 5 become a 15? You do times 3. Since I did times 3 on the bottom, I have to do times 3 on the top, which gets me 12 15ths there. Then on the 1/3, how does a 3 become a 15? Times 5. So times 5 on the top gets me 5. And now I can add those together. So we've got 12 15ths plus 5 15ths. 12 plus 5 is 17 15ths. That's an improper fraction. We got a fat cowboy little horse. So we divide 17 by 15. 15 is going to go into 1 0 times. 15 into 17 is once, equals 15. There's my 2 left over. And remember, we don't keep going. We're not going decimals. We're doing fractions. So what's left of my cowboy? 2. And my horse hasn't changed. The horse is that number outside, so that's a 15. So now we have 1 and 2 15ths. 2 15ths won't simplify, so that fraction side is done. Now for the whole numbers. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now put those together. 39 plus 1 is 40. And bring on that fraction of 2 15ths. And so correct answer, 40 2 15ths.